Hello. To set up SIM pin on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you'll have to go into the settings. From here go into connections and go into SIM manager. From there we have to swipe down, go into more SIM settings, and right there we have SIM card security. So let's go in here, and what we can do is we can lock SIM card. We can enable this option to lock or unlock the SIM card, and we can change SIM card pin, but it is grayed out because we need to enable the lock SIM first. So as we enable it, we have to enter our current SIM card pin. So let's enter this one, press OK, and this right here we have the lock SIM card option enabled, and we can also change the SIM card pin. So let's take a look. To change the SIM card pin we have to enter our current SIM card pin, press OK, and now we can set up our new SIM card pin. So simply enter this pin, and now we have to confirm it. We have to enter it again, press OK, and that's how to do it. And yeah, we can also disable the lock SIM by pressing this switch right here, and now we have to enter our current SIM card pin again to disable it. And yeah, that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.